Located 5 minutes walk from London Bridge Tube Station, St Christopher's Inn Village offers dormitory rooms with 24-hour reception, free Wi-Fi, laundry facilities, a lounge with TV and DVD player, a roof terrace, a bar and a restaurant. The property offers the UK's first private capsule rooms. Each dormitory room has bed linen, and shared bathroom facilities. Towels are available at a surcharge. Lockers are free to use in each room and guests are advised to bring their own padlock. Alternatively, padlocks are available at a surcharge in reception. The on-site entertainment venue has karaoke nights, fancy dress parties, and music. Boasting a central location, the Inn Village offers easy access to many London's attractions, bars, and restaurants. All guests receive a 25% discount in selected restaurants, and special offers on drinks. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.